All right, everyone. So it's your boy back at it again, and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I do to record audiobooks, podcasts, YouTube videos, the works. So, the first thing that I make sure is that my microphone is turned to a specific decibel level. Usually, it's on the lower end, and I will always stay behind it about 3 to 5 inches. So that's tip number one. Okay, now coffee and chocolate. If you're gonna have those before you go into the recording booth, just be sure to drink an extra glass of water. You do not want the tongue tea, and that is, you don't want that. Like, no one wants to hear that in their audio. They don't want to hear it thumping in their audio. They want clean cut audio. And yes, now I understand when you're doing this live, you can smack your lips together and things just won't work out 100%. But I say, I'll tell you this, just do a sound check, just, practice before you record. Just read over your script, and you're going to be less nervous. You're not going to misspeak, and you'll know the script better. So that's another thing. Also, highlight your stuff, certain colors. For example, if you're going to be angry, if you're reading a character that's in an angry state, highlight it red. And also, when you divide up your sentences, just be sure to pause about a second or half a second. If it's going fast, go to a half a second. If the character is speaking fast, rather, go to half a second. If your character is a bit more slow in their speech, just go to a second. So just time it right. You'll see that on the audio track as well that you are recording on, whether that's Audition or Audacity, Hindenburg, or something else. So yeah, just a few things I wanted to share with you, and yeah, I guess that's it, and just keep on trucking. Peace, guys.